In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Peacock TV discount code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Google. Now once we're here, type in Peacock TV discount code and hit enter. We'll be taken to Google search results. So from here, we've got a few third-party sites offering discount codes. So we've got couponfollow.com. That's a great place to get discount codes. We've got coupons.com. You can even have a look at Reddit. So keep scrolling down so you can check out any one of these third-party sites to find this discount code. But one I like to use is called couponfollow.com. Now we're over at couponfollow.com and it says Peacock promo codes. So simply find the promo code you want to use. These will be different and the prices and your discounts will vary depending when you're watching this. They might be better or worse. So now if you want to activate any one of these, if you want to activate this $30 off all orders, go ahead and click on that blue show coupon code, and then a little pop-up will appear like this, and click copy and paste this at the checkout section of Peacock TV to activate your discount. Now these codes do expire, so if one code expires, just simply move on to the next one. Another cool thing about Coupon Follow, you can see their previously featured offers and deals as well, so you can kind of get a sense what they might offer down the track if you don't like any of the current offerings